The future is here, dear friends, and the next presenter is Антон Овсянников from Huawei. Anton, you're welcome. Today I would like to discuss Huawei's approach to hybrid platforms. For you to understand why we need it, and to segue from the topics of the previous sessions, a few words in general. Firstly, regarding internet broadcasting. We believe that there is a problem that does not have any solution. If a service is provided free of charge, who will be responsible for its quality? On the other hand, when nobody is responsible for quality, how to monetize on it, how to charge for it? When the customer cannot be sure that he or she will get the service on time and in sufficiently high quality. Therefore, managed environments will be in demand because they guarantee quality. Subscribers know who to call just in case. And to solve this problem, it is for solving this problem that Huawei is offering its hybrid TV solution. Why hybrid? There may be a broadcaster using some cable TV environment. In a city there is cable television. It can be digital, which means that the broadcaster can charge subscribers for different packages of channels, but at a certain point in time the subscribers will require interactivity. Just television, just broadcasting is not enough. Those users who can afford it must be able to come to the service provider to say, only television is not enough, we want something more. Another example, for instance, there is no infrastructure in a city or town for television. An operator comes to the city and asks how to build infrastructure, what kind of networks to develop. The approach, let's come up with broadband everywhere, is not good enough. It will depend upon the financial and market situation in the country or city. Very possibly the majority of viewers do not need anything but television. Why developing broadband? Why introducing IPTV? It's not clear. But there is still such correlation. For example, in Africa, the most popular content delivery way is just digital television. However, in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, where most of financial resources are concentrated, broadband is a must in every home. GPON, pure IPTV, now hybrids, the maximum set of IP services and so forth. By the way, our platform was used to build one of the biggest platforms of this kind in Saudi Arabia. I have described the hybrid platform as something that allows a service provider having a cable infrastructure to overlay interactive capabilities. Huawei is an experienced supplier of IPTV solutions. When we say IPTV, hybrid TV, we understand that it's based on a hybrid platform. We have been dealing with IP television for more than 18 years. And we have reached the stage at which we are capable of offering a complete end-to-end solution comprising not only all the software and hardware for content delivery, but can also do something bigger. Huawei can act as a partner in introducing this kind of services in the region, together with an operator or service provider. It includes the platform itself, our experience and expertise. Currently, more than 6 million subscribers are using Huawei platform worldwide. It is a lot, including Central Asia, China. Some time ago we made it to global markets such as the Middle East. There are a number of projects in Europe, such as Deutsche Telekom, for instance. What else can we offer to an operator on top of this experience and equipment? It is something very important. Together with the service provider, we can analyze the market in order to understand what services are demanded by subscribers on this particular market. Clearly, marketing can invent anything. The engineers can invent even more. However, we need to know for sure how profitable will our service investments be. So we can help you to analyze the market, develop a business case, and plan service introduction. Secondly, we can back up the operator in working with a network. When it's about interactive services, when it's about TV broadcasting, everything seems to be very simple. There is a cable network, a head-end, there is also some content delivered to end users. However, when it's about interactive services, it's twice as complex. The number of components that are necessary for delivery, the volume of equipment necessary to ensure quality of service is huge, and the task itself is enormous. And together with the operator, we can complete tasks such as network planning, network maintenance, even for multi-vendor networks, in order to enable content delivery in a way preferable by the subscriber. Despite we're only making our first steps in Russia, although our installed base across the world is enormous. Historically, there used to be a kind of bottleneck here, and we're working on it now. Despite all of this, we have more than 40 projects worldwide. More than 6 million subscribers already use our platform. With this in mind, an operator can be sure that we are a responsible partner and can be trusted. Our solution will work out. Now a few words about the hybrid platform. The idea is as simple as that. Is based on television, and the other one is traditional broadband. It's important to understand that for a service such as video on demand, we need broadband, enough bandwidth. In our case, it's not a must. A narrowband internet connection can also be used. In this case, heavy content will be delivered over an existing network, while the IP network will be used for those things that do not require significant bandwidth. Access to this platform can be achieved with a smartphone, IP phone, even desktop telephones. This concept is also supported by our platform. What is important here from the viewpoint of the platform itself? For traditional operators, modular architecture, scalability are important. Fast deployment. It's also important that we are offering an open platform, a kind of toolkit, or a system core to be filled out with services by the operator himself or the operator together with ourselves and so forth. Other benefits are distributed architecture, redundancy, terminal manageability. If you have more than 6 million set-top boxes consuming interactive services without a proper management system, it will be a nightmare, because we are very experienced in completing complex projects. Well, all these problems can be resolved. Now a few words about the services themselves. We can distinguish several major groups of services. Let's assume the user wants interactivity. A broadcast-enabled RGB is not very expensive. However, interactive set-top boxes cost quite a lot. And those who buy them, they want to get value for their money. What do they get? They get access to content. I mentioned video on demand. It can be implemented in the service provider's library, or it can envisage integration with third-party content, such as internet broadcasters. By the way, this model is very promising. The operator is responsible for the quality in the last mile, while the content is provided by a specialist content provider. At every stage of this interaction, quality is assured. For example, YouTube integration with our platform in Saudi Arabia provided for YouTube to come up with a dedicated server in Saudi Arabia to make sure that our platform is not overloaded by the central server. The quality between the content provider and the carrier is also ensured. And then the carrier ensures distribution of this content while assuring quality. With this, everyone is sure that the service is manageable, that the service quality is manageable. A few more services. I'll spend no more than 5 minutes on them. 2 minutes. Okay, interactivity. Interactivity, what is it? You can stop, put your show on pause, you can get back to it, you can rewind it. For example, to see the goal in a football match. And this service is available for every channel at any point in time. Another example is TV on demand. You can go to work and miss your favorite show. With TV on demand, that is not possible. Our entire library for 2 weeks is available on our platform. Another major group is communication services. Our platform can be used as a communication platform allowing users to chat, to communicate with each other, to establish video calls, and so forth. You just connect a video camera over USB, and with it you can use our platform as a terminal for video conferencing. IMS integration is also supported. My third example is OTT. The managed platform can be used as basis for the integration of ISP services such as YouTube, free internet broadcasting. The customer can reach terms, or the carrier can reach terms with an internet broadcaster, get those services integrated via an aggregation platform, and here you are. I can describe it for ages. That's it for now. Just one point. Huawei is not just a technology company granting support to operators at a technology level. We are a very experienced company capable of helping operators to end up with complete solutions. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, Anton. Are there any questions? Just one question. Your business is a B2B business. So we're not discussing end users. My question is as follows. How do you see the market of your customers here in Russia? How promising is that? How big are the capabilities of the regions, both technical and financial? Well, unfortunately, I have liability to our customers. I'm in no position to disclose this information, but it will be enough to say that the potential is huge. Maybe we're wrong with our vision, but so far our experience has confirmed otherwise. We see it as a very promising platform, very promising solution. Thank you very much, Anton. And our final presentation is from Alexander Kowalski from L-Sky. He is going to discuss the mysterious eye catcher.